you guys not just reading the news, or even don't need to read the news, just give you know, oh, there's something happening. But what you should do is finding the technical paper, the paper they published, online, read it, read it with AI. I think a lot of people are a little bit afraid to read the technical stuff, but I'm thinking while you are doing that with AI, it's actually become fun, to do so. It's gonna help you to understand what's really happening. A lot of media is have exaggerations. They might have the intention, trying to sell you the ads. So they're basically taking the different perspective. That may not be the right perspective or the very objective perspective from there. So you have to dig out those information. A lot of people don't do that because it's gonna take time, consume energy. I totally understand that. But if you have energy, you have the motivation to do so. I really recommend to read those technical paper. And for example, I build this for myself because I'm thinking reading the paper with the Gemini, all those things is not very good UI. So because I design this UI, left side I can my paper, right side I can talk with my research assistant. Basically, sometimes people are afraid of the equations, but I found a new way to understand equations. I have this feature called a screen catch. You can click the screen catch, just to catch the paragraph, before and after this equation, and then you're gonna send it to the my LLM using the Gemini. I think this one probably the 5.2 or something. But I also have the Gemini features. It's basically helping me to generate an infographic like a image to really understand the key points, right? Understand the equations from there. So it gonna makes this tedious equation becomes more vivid and more fun, to read through that. And then probably gonna take a while to some of the equations here. Yeah, this equations here. You see, this tells you what this equation about. It's about the memorization. It's about learning. It's about how they're gonna associate the memory system into that, and they're gonna explain each terms, right? Why you have this like a arc minion, from there. What is this MKV thing about, right? So you see this like the key value, seeing those like the from the large language model, from there. So basically, it helps you to really digest information like in a vivid way, in a fun way. So definitely recommend you guys, using the LLM. You don't have to use my tool, but you can try it, see if you like it. But you can also find all other tools, or even you see, okay, I'm okay, just upload on the Gemini, ask it to generate, it's fine. But this is mainly just to give you like a better user experience, UIs to do